In this tutorial, we are building a journey to send message on Microsoft Teams for new HubSpot contact. So let's start. Select HubSpot as a trigger. Then choose a new contact created as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on link an account. Next, select the property mode as value only. Now in steps, we have to send a new message to a specific channel via Microsoft Teams. Select Microsoft Teams. Next, add send message as action. Select an existing connection again and click on link an account. Next, select team. Select channel. Add message using HubSpot app data. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, go to HubSpot. So we will create a contact. Click on Create Contact. Add contact details. Then click on Create Contact. Contact is created. Let's go to Journey to check the execution. Yes, the journey is executed successfully. Now let's go to Microsoft Teams. We can see HubSpot contact details in Microsoft Teams. In this way, we can create an automation journey to send message on Microsoft Teams for new HubSpot contact. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.